Hello, hello, hello. I'm Nicole Spence and I am your Wellness Empress and welcome to our channel. How are you feeling today? Well, I am feeling good, and to make sure I have a great day, I'm starting my day with juicing, okay? Listen, let me tell you something. Starting your day with a fresh green juice helps to re-energize you after a night's sleep, okay? It helps to keep your body hydrated, boost your mood and energy. And honestly, when you start this way, you can't help but make better choices throughout the day. You know what I mean? So today, I'm sharing with you one of my favorite juices. Why? Because it's yummy, it's easy, and even the person that hates a green juice, they're gonna love this juice, okay? So it's kale, cucumbers, and a fresh pineapple, okay? And honestly, it's super yummy, super hydrating. That pineapple really helps for the gut, happy belly, happy life. All right, so let's get started. Woo! All right. Again, juicing in the morning for me is the best way that I can ensure that I'm going to make better choices throughout the day, okay? This will make about three or four of these little containers. By the way, let me just talk about my containers. This also helps me. I love having these little bottles because, again, it makes me happy. It makes me feel like, yeah, you know what? I'm doing the right thing. Oops, my kale. So kale, spinach, lots of leafy greens. The other thing I love about juicing is that even if you're not a fan of, let's say, eating these things, in a juice, it's actually yummy. I don't like beets, but when I put my beets in my juice mixed with the pineapple that I love and the cucumbers that I love and the kale and all those things, it becomes a super yummy juice. So don't be afraid to experiment with your greens, okay? With your non-favorite veggies. Don't be afraid. Try it. You know, this juice right here is packed with lots and lots of fiber, lots of vitamin B, C, and K. Wonderful for that skin. Okay, I am 45, and a sister is not trying to get into that whole Botox and all of that situation. I'm not trying to do that, okay? I grew up with my mommy using olive oil, so I plan to olive oil it up. You know what I'm saying? And drink it up. But I love this juicer though, because look, it comes out, the pulp comes out of this end, and then the juice comes out of here. Watch. This is my favorite part. Let me put some more kale in it to show you my favorite part when the juice comes out. Ah! There is nothing better than setting up a morning routine for yourself. I start my day with my devotional, my motivational speeches and sermons. Then I move my body with some Pilates, and then I'm off into the kitchen and make my juice. And honestly, I can't help but have a good day when I start like that. You know what I'm saying? Now look at my favorite part. Simple things. Simple things make me happy, yo. Okay, now I'm gonna get into this cucumber. I love cucumbers. Again, cucumbers are primarily water, yo. So they're very, very hydrating and quite filling. I heard this saying the other day. It was like, you know, every day won't be a good day, but there's good in every day. And I love that. There is good in every day, guys. And we gotta find it. And starting my day with a green juice, with a juice like this, filled with so many nutrient-dense ingredients and vitamins. Come on. I already know what I'm in for. And that's a good day. Yo, you know what I watched the other day? What are you guys watching? The Martha Stewart documentary dropped on Netflix. It's called Martha. And let me tell you, I loved every minute of it. I mean, I did grow up with Martha Stewart. I was very much aware of the brand, right? But I had no idea what a true pioneer Martha Stewart really was. A true revolutionary, visionary woman. Just a real badass woman. You know what I mean? If you're looking for some inspiration, check that documentary out. I absolutely loved it, and I told all my girlfriends about it. I'm like, you gotta watch this Martha documentary, okay? Because when I tell you, sister was queen of lemons into lemonade, into doing things and creating things that no woman has ever done. Right? I love that. And I also love that it also, not only did it show her powerhouse ability, but it also showed her vulnerable side, right? I don't want to give too much away, but she went there. She gave us vulnerability. And I walked out with like a lot of jewels, a lot of gems. I used to say growing up that my mom was the Jamaican Martha Stewart. I mean, my mother could put a house together and could make a meal and just make it all look effortless. You know what I'm saying? Because she also worked on Wall Street. Okay, let's be clear. My mommy, unfortunately, I'm sure she would have wanted maybe to be a stay-at-home mom, but she wasn't. She was working out on Wall Street, raising her daughters and her son with my dad. We grew up in a no malice palace, But my mother really put our home together. I mean, she was an excellent homemaker. And I love that. It's definitely something for me to aspire to, And I gotta say, the way Martha made it look and feel, I was like, yeah, I loved it. I was like, yeah, girl, get it. I want it. Let's do it. I'm on my Martha. Can I get any more pineapple out of this? I've been wanting to get every little bit. Let me tell you something, okay? I love pineapple. Have you ever heard about like eating the rainbow, eating colorful foods help to boost your moods? Well, it's true. And yellow is happiness. And if you can't tell by my joy of making this juice, it's true. It's happiness. It is happiness. And honestly, pineapple is a great base, guys. If you're just starting juicing and you do like pineapples, some people don't like pineapples. I don't judge them. But if you do like pineapples is a great base for your juice, okay? And again, you can put broccoli in here, okay? Anything. Broccoli, kale, spinach, anything you think of, you can put it in there, and you have pineapple as your base, and you're gonna love it. Okay, let me mix this up. Let me mix up this juice before I put it in my bottles and give it a taste. I can't wait to taste it. Although I know what it's gonna taste like. It's gonna taste yummy. It's gonna put me in a good mood, yo. That's what it's gonna do. It's gonna make sure that I make great choices throughout the day. You know what I like to say? Because I do not count macros. I tell my girlfriends all the time, I'm like, I barely like calculating the tip, yo. Okay, so I'm not out here counting macros, but I did lose over 65 pounds at 45. So let me tell you, that ain't easy. Okay, but what I do, I don't count my macros, but what I do is I pay attention to how much real food am I giving myself on a regular basis? How much real am I giving me as opposed to processed stuff, right? How many things can I look at like this pineapple and know what it is and give myself that, okay? And the more that I give myself that, the better I'm gonna feel, the better my body's gonna feel, the better my mind is gonna feel. You feel what I'm saying? So we don't even need to count macros and all those things, okay? Focus on real. Focus on giving yourself as many real things as possible. Real food for that real love. You know what I mean? Let me drink my juice. Listen. I'm telling you, even if you don't like green juice, you like this juice. I'm telling you, you would like this juice. It is so yummy. I feel great. Straight up. And I know I'm gonna make better choices throughout the day, yo. I know I'm gonna keep giving myself this reel because this reel feels good. All right, so guys, come on. Give yourself as much real as possible. Give yourself that real love. Wake up, give thanks, move your body, give yourself real food, real nutrient-dense food. And I'm telling you, you're gonna have a great day. Remember, not every day is gonna be good, but there's good in every day. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you. Like, subscribe, all the things. Just don't one night stand me, y'all. I am a lady, and I want to see you again. Don't break up with me. This is a real relationship, not a situationship.